Welcome back, travelers. Today, we're sharing 7 essential hacks to dodge overweight luggage fees in 2024. If you're tired of unexpected fees ruining your travel budget, this video is for you. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Always use a digital luggage scale. Before you leave for the airport, weigh your luggage at home. These portable scales are inexpensive and can save you from a costly surprise at the check-in counter. Make sure your bag is within the airline's weight limit to avoid extra fees. If you're close to the limit, consider moving some items to your carry-on. Hack number 2. Wear your heaviest clothes and shoes. If you're traveling with bulky items like boots or a heavy coat, wear them on the plane. This can significantly reduce the weight of your checked luggage. You can always remove these items once you're on the plane and store them in the overhead bin. Hack number 3. Invest in lightweight luggage. Modern luggage designs use materials that are both durable and lightweight, helping you save weight for your actual belongings. Every pound counts, so choose luggage that maximizes your packing capacity without adding unnecessary weight. Hack number 4. Utilize vacuum-sealed bags. These bags compress your clothes, allowing you to fit more into your suitcase and potentially reduce the need for an additional checked bag. They're especially useful for bulky items like jackets and sweaters. Hack number 5. Always check the airline's baggage policy before you pack. Different airlines have different weight limits and fees, so knowing the specifics can help you pack accordingly. Some airlines even offer discounts if you pay for extra baggage online in advance. Hack number 6. Distribute weight across multiple bags. If you're traveling with family or friends, spread the weight evenly among all bags to avoid exceeding the weight limit on any single piece of luggage. This strategy can help everyone stay under the limit and avoid extra fees. Hack number 7. Ship items in advance. For longer trips or special occasions, consider shipping some of your belongings to your destination. It can be more cost-effective than paying overweight fees and ensures you travel lighter. Research shipping options and prices ahead of time to find the best deals. And there you have it. 7 hacks to dodge overweight luggage fees in 2024. Use these tips to travel smarter and keep your budget intact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and hacks. Safe travels.